We truly have put forth pretty much zero effort into our bedroom, so it is nothing fancy at all, but I am super excited to show you what it looks like before the extreme makeover. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a room tour of our master bedroom before the extreme makeover. So I keep getting asked, why don't you ever share your master bedroom? What does it look like? You never show that half of your house, and honestly there's not much to look at, so I've never even thought really to show it much. But we are getting ready to do an extreme makeover in our bedroom. This is something that we have wanted to do ever since we moved into this house over 6 years ago. Truly all we have done is paint the walls, and we have new flooring whenever we laid the whole flooring throughout our entire home. Other than that, we have not done anything to it. We've never bought furniture for it, nothing. So I am going to be giving you a tour of what it looks like today before the makeover, kind of walk you through what we are going to be doing, explaining the projects that we are going to be doing, lots of DIYs coming up for this specific room. And then I'm also going to be showing you some new furniture pieces that we are going to be incorporating into our space to give it a more upscale look and just more complete and polished. So for today's video, I want to thank Homery for sponsoring today's video and for gifting us some new furniture pieces that we love in our bedroom. Homery has a little bit of everything from furniture to decor, things for your bathroom, things for your kitchen, truly something for everyone. But these are great quality pieces at great prices. I love getting things from Homery. They have such good quality items, and they're something that you can keep in your home for a very long time because they hold up so well. And a bonus is that whenever they package them and send them to you, they are packaged so well so you don't have to worry about anything getting damaged when you receive it in the mail. I chose some rustic nightstands. We love these. These are going to be perfect for our bedroom and the style that we are going for, and they were so easy to put together, which is always a bonus. Homery also has a 48-hour dispatch where you can get your items quickly, which I personally love because when it comes to ordering furniture and things like that that truly make a difference in a room, I love getting them sooner than later. So that is so awesome. But when it comes to this nightstand, it was extremely easy to put together. Truly, the handle was just screwed on the inside. That way it didn't come off during the shipping and handling process, so that way you didn't have to worry about anything getting damaged. So all I had to do was simply just screw the handle off from the inside and flip it around to the outside, and that was all. Very simple to use, but I love my furniture from Homery. It is such good quality, like I said, and this will just go perfectly in our bedroom. This piece is very sleek. It's modern, but it's also rustic as well. So when it comes to shopping for things on Homery, I like to search for rustic furniture because that is what our home aesthetic is and something that I'm very drawn to personally. So that's how I found this nightstand, and it is also on sale for $189.99 while I'm filming this video. And as a bonus, I also have a 7% off discount code for you guys that I will have here on the screen and also down in the description box as well. I have several pieces from Homery in my home, and this is my newest piece and I truly love it. So I hope you guys enjoy, and be sure to check out Homery and don't forget to use that 7% off discount code. So to set the tone of our bedroom, we are really continuing on with that rustic and very earthy, kind of lived in, relaxed feel. So that is what we love throughout our entire home. So for our bedroom, we're wanting to incorporate all of those things. So we're gonna go ahead and head to the bedroom now. I'm gonna show you a tour of what it looks like, and then we're going to be taking those Homery nightstands and I'm going to be styling them in the bedroom and kind of give you guys some ideas on how you can style them in your bedroom, but also just ideas in general for styling a side table. So yes, these are specifically nightstands, but I believe that you can use these anywhere in your home. So you can use them in your living room as a side table, just any little corner nook where you think a little table would be beneficial to you. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to style those and just give you a full vision and idea of how we are going to be making our bedroom look and just kind of the transformation process and the ideas that we have for that space. So let's head into the bedroom now and see what it looks like before the makeover. Alright you guys, here is the reveal of what the bedroom looks like before the makeover. Like I had said before, is truly nothing fancy whatsoever. We have simply just painted the walls in here and changed out the flooring from carpet to hardwood whenever we moved in, and that is about it. Everything else in here is either decor that was intentionally purchased for other spaces in our home and we just weren't using them in those spaces anymore, so we brought it in here. I have just kind of done that throughout the past 6 years now. It's just whatever is not getting used, I will bring it into our bedroom to style and kind of make it feel a little more complete and cozy in this space. But other than that, there has not been anything purchased other than those two little nightstands that I have next to our bed currently. Everything else is either thrifted or things that we have just had for a very, very long time. So our bedroom is pretty small. We do live in a 1970s ranch style home. So if you didn't know that, fun fact, but all of our bedrooms are pretty small. So including this master bedroom, obviously. As you can see, it is just very basic, just a simple little square room, not much going on. We do just have one window in this space. And so because it is small, I do like to keep it very simple naturally, because that's how I like the whole home to be, but also just not a lot of clutter. So I don't have a lot going on in here. In this little space here, this is to the left of our doorway. Whenever you walk in, we just have a dresser. This is an old dresser that my husband had before we even got together, and years ago I painted it and added some new hardware, but as you can see, it has definitely have a lot of love. It is very rough looking. It is definitely time to upgrade and get something different. And then as far as the decorations on the top go, I just have some leftover brass candlesticks that I wasn't using. I have a little notebook with a handwritten letter that my husband wrote me years ago, and also a faux plant that I've had for quite some time now, along with a mirror that we've had as well. And then to the side of that, I have a rocking chair. It's like a swivel chair that was intentionally purchased for Barrett's nursery a few years ago, and it has now made its way into our bedroom. So I have that along with a secondhand pillow and just a simple little basket on the wall that we weren't using in the other rooms. And then as far as the floor goes, I just have a rug in here. The rug is originally from Target, but was intentionally bought for our kitchen at one point, and again has made its way into our bedroom. But I just have so many plans for this space, and again, I'm just super excited to transform it. So everything that we are going to be doing as far as doing the upgrade and whatnot is going to be very, very budget friendly. You guys know me. I like to keep it simple and affordable as much as I possibly can. But at the foot of our bed here, I just have a bench, which oddly enough is also from Homery. So I will have this link down below for you guys as well. This is the piece that I originally had for our living room and brought it into here to kind of complete this look. I do love the look of a bench at the foot of a bed. I think it just looks really pretty and polished and complete. And it's also very functional because when you're putting shoes on, getting dressed, things like that, just having that bench there to sit on is really nice. But as far as the bedding goes, it's just very neutral. As you can see, a lot of this is either thrifted pieces. Our comforters thrifted. There's clearance finds, secondhand pillow covers, different things like that. And I've just tried to kind of make it look like it was intentionally purchased for this room as much as I possibly could. But when it comes to the things that I'm wanting to do for our bedding, I'm wanting to add in those earthy tones. We're going to be adding in some charcoals, but also with some nude colors and taupes. And I really want to add in like some rust and things like that. I think that would be really pretty. Just really incorporate those earthy kind of moody tones for this space. But as far as the walls go, we're really wanting to brighten that up. We are going to be doing an accent wall behind our bed. I really love the look of vertical board and batten, so we're going to be doing that there. And then we also have some mirror closet doors that I am probably going to end up leaving the mirror doors here, but I want to get rid of the gold. So the gold, in my opinion, just looks really dated in my home, and it's not necessarily my style. So I'm wanting to kind of take that down, probably do like a matte black around that. And then as far as our bed goes, we are getting a new bed frame. So that is going to be a black wrought iron bed frame. It's going to be so pretty and just look a little more put together, like I mentioned. And then beside those, we're going to be having our Homary nightstands, which I am super excited about. As far as this little window area here, I'm planning to maybe put like a faux tree over there, get some new curtains and whatnot, and then probably a new rug in this room as well. And then as far as where the dresser goes, I do have a dresser that is solid wood that needs some DIY done to it. So we are going to be doing a DIY dresser at some point. Going to be removing the chair. I'm really loving the look of black accents. You guys know that here in my home. So I'm thinking I'm going to be doing kind of like a matte black, kind of a rustic vibe for the dresser, and probably some new hardware on that as well. And just a little bit of touches here and there, but I think just doing some simple things is going to make this room such a drastic change. If you guys saw what this room looked like before we moved in, it was very basic. Our entire home was just white walls and tan carpet, and I just think that you can do very simple things to make a room look very complete and put together. But I'm so excited to show you guys what this looks like now. You guys always ask me, what does it look like? Why do you never show it? And like I said, there's just not much going on in here. So I am really excited to put a spin and art touch on this space. And I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. I'm going to have a full video on all of these DIYs, from the dresser to the wall, and decorating them as well, and just the things that we're going to be incorporating into this space. Now let's get to styling this side table. So I have a few different ways to show you guys. This first way is going to be very simple, but very put together and complete. So I just have a very lifelike faux plant on top with a rustic pot, and then I have a Bible on the shelf. This is just a very classic look. Nothing fancy about it at all, but I do think it looks really pretty and put together. And then as far as the next area goes, I'm just going to be adding a lamp to this space. So this is how I will probably have it in our bedroom, with a lamp, probably add a little faux plant for a pop of greenery. And then I really love this shelf because it is convenient. You can either put books there that you have every single day, there's things that you like to grab and have with easy access, or you can do some decorative books. You guys know that I love my book boxes that I get from Hobby Lobby, and I think this is just a fun way to add some more character and a little bit of pattern and color with this space. And you can also switch out the faux plants. As you can see here, I'm using a different faux plant. Just give it a different look, but it's just something that I think looks really pretty and just a simple touch to add to a space. For this next look, again, just keeping it very simple. If you have extra storage that you want to use, I have these book boxes, and again, another little plant. If you had this next to your couch in your living room, you can keep not only your remotes and things in these boxes, but you can also keep them in the drawer here on this nightstand as well, which is wonderful. So there's nothing like extra storage. You can never go wrong with this having a little bit of extra space. For this next look, we have a little more texture coming in here, so I do have a wicker basket tray. I'm also placing a candle here on a little riser, and then you guys know that I love my statement pieces, so I have a vase here that I recently got from Home Goods, and then I'm just going to be placing some stems inside here. So I think adding a statement vase can make a big difference and just make quite the appearance in a room, and I really love how this looks. So it's just very lifelike and just something a little bit different, again, if you want to make a large statement and just kind of have something jump out you when you walk into the room. For this last look, I'm just going to be doing a simple layering of vessels. So I have that same white vase, and I'm just going to be taking a little green one with some greenery. And then to tie in the color on top of the nightstand, I'm going to be adding in some books to the shelf here that is just going to complete this look with adding in those same colors. Alright you guys, that is all for today's video. As always, anything I can link down below, I will have linked. So I will have the nightstands for Homery. I will also have that discount code for you and just their website in general. That way you can go check it out. Use that discount code so that way you can find some great pieces. I love their website. They have a lot of really pretty things on there. Whenever I'm on there, I always search for rustic decor or farmhouse decor. That's kind of the thing that is very much in my realm when it comes to decorating my home. So they have lots of really good high quality pieces. So you definitely want to check it out. But thank you guys so much for being here. As always, if you are a fan of all things simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I will see you all in my next video with much more home decorating content. See you guys.